Mabuhay and welcome to the Municipality of Ramon Magsaysay. Welcome to Ramon Magsaysay, a vibrant municipality in the heart of Zamboanga del Sur, home to hopeful and genuine Ramonians. Join us as we embark on an exciting adventure to uncover the hidden gems and wonders each barangay has to offer.
Welcome, Barangay Bagumupot. Samahan nyo kami at itutur namin kayo sa aming barangay.
Ito lang aming office na meron mo kung located at Burokdos. Ito mo pala ang aming liquor center.
Ito nga pala ang aming pangunang simbahan sa San Isidro Labrador located Burokdos, Lika at ating pangalawang simbahan located Burok Uno at ito ang pangalan na Iba Sinyo Bigla. Wala ang aming Upon Cebu at located in Burok Uno. Ang aming Burokdos. May paralan dito sa Barangay Bagumupot. Upat ka maestra at 59 ka estudyante. Hindi ka ating explore. Wala sa mga estudyante. Wala ang source of water sa aming barangay at located at Burokdos.
Hi everyone and welcome Barangay Bambungjut. Mosa din ang elementary school sa Barangay Bangbungju.
Barangay Bubungan.
Barangay Bubungan was established on April 29, 1940. It was named Bubungan because it is located on the upper part of the town of Ramon Magsaysay. Our barangay may be small, but it is full of kind people. Most of the people here are farmers. Our main products are corn, rice, sawali, and coconut. These livelihoods show the dedication and hard work of our people every single day.
Welcome sa Bubungan. So, mga sa akong likod, mga yun ang simbahan sa Bubungan. This is the elementary school of Bubungan.
Hello and welcome to Barangay Kanyangan. So mao day niyang elementary school diri sa Kanyangan.
So this is their mini gym. And there is their principal office, and in my back these are their classrooms, respective classrooms.
Mao ni ang bag-ong gitukod nga gym diri sa Kanyangan. Mao ni ang Coffee and Cacao Processing Center diri sa Barangay Kanyangan. Mao ni ang Coffee and Cacao Processing Plant diri sa Barangay Kanyangan. Ug tapad sa Coffee and Cacao Processing Plant, naapod diri ang Integrated Coconut Processing Plant. Welcome to the Barangay of Eastern Bubungan.
Go.
And now we are here at Eastern Bubungan Elementary School. Hi and welcome to Eastern Bubungan Covered Court.
And we are here right now at Barangay Gapasan. And now, we are here at the covered court of Barangay Gapasan. And at this point, we are here at Gapasan Elementary School.
So, good afternoon everyone. So, this is Malating. So, I will tour you to the place of Malating. So, the first thing na ating pupuntahan sa lugar ng Malating ay ang unang simbahan ng Katoliko dito. So, tara! So, this is one of the Catholic churches of the Barangay Malating. So, tara! So, nakita nyo na ang unang Katoliko na simbahan dito sa Barangay Malating. So, tara, punta tayo sa ibang lugar na pwede nating puntahan dito sa Malating. So, tara! So now, we are here at the Purok Onos Purok. So this is the Purok Onos Purok. So, tara! So now, punta naman tayo sa simbahan ng Seventh-day Adventist Church. So tara, punta na tayo. So this is the Seventh-day Adventist Church of Barangay Malating. So now we are here at the one of Catholic Church of Barangay Malating, located at Purok Place. Ngayon, punta naman tayo sa ibang bahagi ng Malating. Tara! This is the one of sources of income of Barangay Malating. This is
banana farming.
So now we're here in one of the church of Barangay Malating located of Sitio Kuta. So ngayon, punta naman tayo sa ibang bahagi ng Barangay Malating. Tara, ano G? This is the cemetery of Barangay Malating.
So now we are here in the Barangay Malating Covered Court and Barangay Hall office. So I will tour you in this place. So this is the Barangay Malating Covered Court. So ito naman ang Barangay Hall office. So now, punta naman tayo sa ibang lugar ng Malating. So tara! So this is the one of the Church of Barangay Malating. So we are here in the Barangay Malating Progress. So we are now in the Barangay Malating Oldies House. So we are now in the Barangay Malating, one of the source of income. So we are here at one of the tourist spot of Barangay Malating.
explore the beauty of Barangay Paradise.
In the past, Barangay Paradise was part of Barangay Bambong Jot, which was led by the Teniente del Barrio, Domingo Panuncial. As the residents observed the increasing population, they approved the idea of forming a true and independent barangay. The first settlers of the area agreed to draft and propose a resolution. Through the efforts of Sangguniang Bayan member Florentine B. Daguman, the resolution was approved on August 18, 1970 by the Sangguniang Bayan Council of Ramon Magsaysay, Zamboanga del Sur. This officially separated the area and gave it the name Barangay Paradise. The newly established barangay was named Paradise because of its beautiful scenery overlooking the Salog Valley. This stunning view is now popularly known as the Panoramic View of Paradise, a place that attracts many tourists who stop to admire its natural beauty.
Barangay Paradise has 3 different religions, which means we have 3 different churches. And now, I am here at the Barangay Paradise Born Again Church.
Paradise has 2 basketball courts. This is the old basketball court.
And right now, I'm here at Barangay Paradise Covered Court. This is the elementary school of Barangay Paradise, Ramon Magsaysay.
I love you just the way you are. Our love is just the same in a portrait of fame. Just give me.
This used to be the old market of Barangay Paradise way back then.
Hey, 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 lover. You don't have to be a
What makes this place special, it is panoramic swimming pool where you can take a dip while enjoying the wide scenic view of mountains and fields below. The cold breeze, the fresh air, and the sound of nature make it the perfect spot to unwind and appreciate the beauty of our barangay.
Mayong labi ikol kanang mangutana unsa mi ba o kanang pila na katuig ang inyong balay?
67.
Ang sa atong pinahangtod duran pa sa imong pagkatawo ko naabay na usab sa imong balay or girenovate ba ni siya?
Kanang something
lugad na, wala yung control eh. Yun.
Pwede ba na mo videohan ang inyong balaykol?
Okay ra.
Call, daghang salamat.
Barangay Paradise has 5 paroks with 1,303 residents and has 82 students that went to Ramon Magsaysay National High School and 37 members of 4 Ps. As I explored Barangay Paradise, I also discovered the old things that are still part of our community's identity. Some houses here have stood for decades, reminding us of the way our ancestors lived. By making this blog, I realized that Barangay Paradise is not only about its scenic views and tourist spots. It is also about history, tradition, and memories left behind by people who came before us. What I have learned is that our barangay is more than just a place on the map. It is a home filled with culture, faith, and unity, and most of all, I learned to appreciate the importance of preserving our heritage because without it, we would not know where we truly came from.
May siya ang barangay hall diri din. Nani siya tapad nga Dikar. Ani ang iskilan sa daycare diri din. Napaday ni siya fish pond diri. Hala. Isda. Muna siya mong gym diha. Basketballan. May health center diri guys. Diri magpa-prenatal, magpa-immunize sa mga bata. Muna simbahan diri sa Katoliko. May simbahan sa Katoliko dire. Oh, dairo. Kakapoy sa kagagdan. Puto na siya.
Pamakuan.
Pwede abrihan na
Pwede. Ayun, kanina yung sa tanan. Nara, para luto mo na. Para luto ko nun.
Nara, ka ng mga festival. Kanus agi dayang atong araw diri?
Te, kanus agi araw dito? November karon dito. Oy, araw Marso. Aw, March. March. Oh, 9. March 9. March 9.
Ang ato ang pista?
Ang pista November 8. Oh, November 8.
Salamat kayo Ate Aileen. May ngapon di Ate Aileen. So, nakoy pangutana nimo karong ngapon is about sa among cultural mapping. So, sa imong naibawan, kinsa ang kinaunhan jung kapitan diri sa tuang barangay?
Sa akong nahibawan, kato akong apuan si Faustinong Bawas.
So, pwede ko mangutana kung kanusa siya nakapitan dire? Mahulog ka.
Cancel ko balik de.
Pila ta ang sa kining barangay Pasingkalan, pila ka buok relihiyon ang namuyo dire?
Sa akong nahibawan, isip lumulupyo ning barangay Pasingkalan. Upat, Seventh-day Adventist, Roman Catholic, Born Again, Iglesia ni Cristo.
Hi everyone, and welcome to Barangay Poblacion. Welcome to the Poblacion Catholic Church. Hi everyone, as you can see, this is one of the oldest house here in Poblacion. And makita ninyo ang materyales nga gigamit nga nagagabok na jud siya sa kadugay. Sunom ang kauban dahil sa karaan nga balay na po ang pinakakaraan po nga sakinan sa una nga karon uba na jud kay siya. Ini ang elementary school diri sa Barangay Poblacion. Natukod ni siya sa tuig nga 1944. Mao din ni interior diri sa Barangay Poblacion and tagalaing barangay ang ipanglubong diay. So as you can see, makita jud ninyo no nga daghang giging ipanglubong diri sa interior sa Barangay Poblacion.
Mabuhay and welcome to Barangay San Fernando. And welcome to San Fernando Elementary School.
Oldest church in San Fernando, namely San Roque.
are here now in the covered court of Barangay San Fernando. So this is the San Fernando Bridge.
Pila naman ka tuig ang kanang kuan galingan nga bato?
Kanang galingan nga bato lagi. Kabili na sa apuhan pag yun sa iyang apuhan ug sa anyuha.
And now we are here at the Barangay Office of Sapaanding. Og karon aniata sa balay ampuanan sa Barangay Sapaanding. And so now we are here at Sapaanding Elementary School. And now at this point, we are at the covered court of Barangay Sapaanding.
Sa unang panahon, ang Barangay Sinaging isa ka forest land nga yuta. Ang unang mga tawong nagpuyo mao ang subanin. Gitawag kining Barangay Sinaging tungod kay daghan ang nakita na saging. Ug nahimugso ang Barangay Sinaging niadtong December 15, 1948. Naayupat ka purok ang Sinaging ug naapoy duha ka dialects nga ginagamit, Bisaya ug Subanin. Naay 300 ka household and also the population kay 1,200. Kabalo ba mo nga naaray 200 nga tawo ug ang nagtumala nga unang kapitan kay si Yotek Ayawon ug ang karon nga barangay captain kay si Benjamin Calibog Jr.
So now guys, I'm here at the Barangay Court of Barangay Sinaging.
This covered court was located in Parok Dos, and also there are also the barangay office and the preschool here.
So hi guys, this is the Catholic Church in Barangay Sinaging.
So this church is located in Parok Dos, Barangay Sinaging. This church, the Fundamental Grace Gospel Church, is located at Parok Ono. This church also located at Parok Ono.
The school of Barangay Sinaging.
The Sinaging Elementary School, it was built 1957 and now it's already 68 years old. And also the Acacia Tree of Sinaging, it's located in Sinaging Elementary School. It around 1968 and now it's 57 years old. This is Starlight Express. This is one also of our transportation to go to school. So these are the source of income of the people here in Barangay Sinaging. First, the coconut tree, and also we plant corn and usually the palay.